Who doesn't love getting rewarded for spending money they were already going to spend? In this video, I'll explain exactly how the Crypto.com Visa card cashback works and how you can maximize it. Welcome back. Earning cashback is the core benefit of the card, and it's beautifully simple. There's nothing complicated to activate. Once your card is funded, just use it for your everyday purchases. Every time you make an eligible purchase, you will automatically receive a percentage of that spending back in CRO, directly into your Crypto.com app wallet. Your cashback rate is determined by your card tier. Higher tiers staked with more CRO earn higher percentages, from 1% up to 5% and even 8% at the highest tiers for special offers. A vital pro tip: cashback is earned on net purchases minus refunds. Also, always pay in the local currency to avoid dynamic currency conversion fees. The rewards are paid instantly, so you can watch your CRO stack grow with every swipe. It really is that easy: spend and earn. There's no easier way to accumulate CRO over time. Planning a trip? Our next video is essential: how to use your card overseas without any hassle. You won't want to miss it.